I'm Brittany Umar on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, joined by Brian Jacobsen, Chief Portfolio Strategist at Wells Fargo Funds Management, here with your midday look at the markets. Brian, first, positive data out of China last night. Looks like China's coming back. Is it turning the corner?
I think China has turned the corner, and so a lot of the skeptics who are hoping for a hard landing are probably going to be disappointed. We're going to probably continue to see about 7% to 7.5% GDP growth coming out of there, so I'm actually optimistic about China.
Well, and we have also the positive news today with that Goldman Sachs, Nike, and Visa are all added to the Dow. Exciting news for those companies. What does it mean, though?
Sadly, it probably doesn't really mean a lot, considering that not a lot of portfolio managers benchmark against the Dow. However, I think that it is a good indication that it is a changing composition to the U.S. economy. This is very positive for the stocks that are being added, but let's not forget, probably kind of negative for the stocks that are being deleted from the Dow.
Of course, and Bank of America cutting jobs in its mortgage business. Tell us, do you expect any uptick that we've seen in the housing market to peter out with rising mortgage rates?
The rising mortgage interest rates is definitely a concern. We've seen a number of large banks cutting jobs in the mortgage processing area. I expect that we're probably going to continue to see growth in the housing area, but much slower growth than perhaps what a lot of people were hoping for.
And of course, Syria remains in the headlines. We do have President Obama addressing the situation in Syria tonight. How do you expect it to impact markets? Is it already priced in?
I think a lot of it is already priced in. There's still the uncertainty where if we do get some sort of diplomatic resolution to the Syrian situation, we could see a relief rally. So I don't see a lot of downside necessarily with the president's speech. I don't have a lot of high hopes because I think that really he's paved the way for basically saying they're going to pursue the approach of working with Russia to contain the chemical program.
All right, thank you so much, Brian
Thank
Jacobsen.
you.
That's your midday look at the markets. I'm Brittany Umar for TheStreet.